What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Cardano, currently sitting at 0.02556, up 20, almost at 25%. Bull market days up 0.25 on the day. See, market cap 8.98 B, 24 volume 118 million. So let's hop into the charts. We have a couple of confirmations. We broke out of an inverse head and shoulders. We broke the down sloping trend line, and we're breaking the bullish confirmation of the wave one. So there is a potential that this is a 1-2. Now, if we do see a larger pullback, then potentially this could be a complete of the wave one and a leading diagonal. So what you would look at quickly here, wave one, wave two, that was your wave three, wave four, push up into wave five, and then you'd see a larger pullback in a potential wave two. That's if Cardano sees a larger pullback, then that's what I'd look at. But as of right now, there is also potential that this is a 1-2 setup, and you're pushing up in a wave three, which would give you a target of 27 cents, the 1.618. So if you end up seeing a larger pullback, then all that means, in my opinion, potentially that was the one, and then you're now pulling back in the wave two. If we come all the way down, we break this low, then we're going to create a lower low. It is what it is. I'm still cautious, remaining cautious. If we take a look at the weekly time frame, you can see we are down 92% from the all-time high. We're absolutely in the floor, but we do have some bullish signals on the indicators. So we can see we created a slightly lower low, and we're creating a higher low on the RSI, as well as money's flowing back in. So we have bullish divergences on the weekly chart. Let me see if we had some down here. Did we have bullish divergence? Whatever, it's all right. So that can be a signal of reversal, especially get back above the 20 EMA on the weekly. And we have a double bottom pattern. So I do think reversal is near for 80A, and we're seeing some good signs of that on the weekly chart. And then in the short term, as I mentioned, we can push up in the way through from here. But if we do end up seeing a larger pullback, all that means is that completed the leading diagonal wave one, and then you're going to pull back in a wave two. And that would honestly give us a good entry if we pull back from here and then we bounce. We can look to enter on a break of that wave one high or a break of this trend line, and that would be more confirmation of a breakout to the upside. But as of right now, we've broken out of inverse head and shoulders. We broke this down sloping resistance. We broke the bullish confirmation, so straight breakout is definitely possible as well in a wave three. That's it for ADA. I will give a signal when we enter some trades for Cardano, as well as many other coins. It's only $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. If you want a 14-day free trial to the signals, sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders, my subscribers only receive a 20% bonus when they make a deposit in their futures account. Deposit $100, get $20. Deposit $1,000, get $200, completely free money. Or $10 a month. As I mentioned, you spend $10 every single day on BS. Daily crypto analysis for many pairs, my exact trade setups for crypto news, member profits, how to all place, Forex signals, and Forex analysis. All links are down below. Basic access to the Discord is free, over 2,000 members. Go check out those links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.